Are electric vehicles actually cheaper than gas cars? With fuel prices changing and more EVs hitting the market, many drivers in the United States and Canada are asking one important question: which one costs less to own over time? In this video, we'll compare electric vehicles and gasoline-powered cars based on total ownership costs, not just the purchase price. Let's get started. Purchase price. Gas-powered vehicles are often less expensive up front. Many entry-level gasoline cars cost less than comparable electric models. However, many EV buyers may qualify for incentives or rebates depending on where they live and the vehicle they purchase. These programs can help reduce the initial cost. Fuel versus electricity. This is where electric vehicles often have an advantage. Charging an EV at home usually costs less than filling a gas tank for the same driving distance. Drivers who travel long distances each year may notice significant fuel savings over time. Gas vehicles, on the other hand, are more affected by changing fuel prices. Maintenance costs. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts. They don't require oil changes, and they generally experience less wear on brakes thanks to regenerative braking systems. Gas-powered cars require regular maintenance, such as oil changes, engine servicing, spark plugs, and exhaust system repairs. Over several years, maintenance costs may be lower for many EV owners. Insurance. Insurance costs depend on many factors, including your age, driving history, location, and the specific vehicle model. Some electric vehicles may have higher repair costs, which can influence insurance premiums. Before buying any vehicle, it's a good idea to compare insurance quotes. Charging versus refueling. Gas cars can usually be refueled in just a few minutes. Electric vehicles can be charged at home overnight or at public charging stations. Fast chargers reduce charging time, but availability may vary depending on your location. Drivers with home charging often find it very convenient. Long-term value. If you drive frequently and plan to keep your vehicle for many years, an electric vehicle may reduce your overall operating costs. If you drive only occasionally or need to travel long distances in areas with limited charging infrastructure, a gasoline vehicle may still be the better fit. The best choice depends on your driving habits, budget, and access to charging. Final thoughts. Both electric and gas-powered vehicles have advantages. Electric vehicles often offer lower fuel and maintenance costs, while gasoline vehicles usually have a lower purchase price and faster refueling. Before making a decision, compare the total cost of ownership, not just the sticker price. Which would you choose? An electric vehicle or a gas-powered car? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more personal finance, car comparisons, and money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Vehicle prices, incentives, fuel costs, electricity rates, insurance premiums, and maintenance expenses vary by location, driving habits, and individual circumstances. Always research current information before making a purchasing decision.